One truck owner, one truck, and two guys with different ideas about truck nudity. Now, Cover Upper.
All right, Ralphie boy, here we go. Time to do what we do. Time to outfit another truck.
If it really needs it. Who we got?
His name is Jacob, and this one really tugs at my heart. He just recently lost his hunting dog to a terrible farm accident. So don't say anything about wood chippers.
I'm more of a cat guy myself. What's the dog's name?
Honky Tonk. Ooh, there he is. He's got himself a GMC 2500 HD.
Thought you said that was a truck.
All right. Wow, you really have a naked truck here, Jacob. That also gives us a blank canvas to work with, so tell me what you're thinking here.
Looks fine to me.
Good right there. And then along the side here.
Ever since I lost Honky Tonk, I've been feeling kind of empty in here. So I got this truck, but it's naked, and now I need to get it outfitted. Just something to make them proud.
We need something that will help Jacob ease the pain of losing Honky Tonk, yet at the same time honor his memory. What are your ideas, Ralph?
Maybe a moonroof?
So we decided to go with an off-road theme. Lift kit, bigger wheels and tires, new front bumper with a winch, spray liner, electric running boards, and of course, custom seat covers. It's gonna look awesome, and he is going to love it.
What do you want me to do now?
Go help Joe.
Joe?
Joe.
Joe?
Joe.
Joe?
Joe.
Joe?
What's going on back here?
Well, we ran into a snag.
I wanted to give Jacob something really personal to remind him of Honky Tonk every time he cranked his truck. And so I met with Central Texas artist Georgia O'Keefe, and I think she is the perfect artist to bring Honk's spirit to life. Hi, Georgia.
Oh, hi, Jay. It's nice to officially be able to meet you.
Yes, thank you for seeing me today.
Oh, you're welcome, you're welcome. So tell me about Jacob.
Well, as you know, he is heartbroken. He lost his puppy, his constant companion, to a terrible accident. We don't talk about it. So we're doing his truck, and we wanted to do something that would honor the relationship. What we wanted to do, we had this bright idea where we would do a keychain for him so that he could remember Honky Tonk every time he started up his vehicle. We decided to come to the top keychain artiste in all of Central Texas, and that was you. So thank you for taking the time to see me today.
Well, thank you for the compliment. When Jay started telling me about Jacob and his beloved dog Honky Tonk, I was inspired. I had a vision, and it just started flowing out of me.
This is the time that's special to me, when it's just me
and the truck, and I get to put the finishing touches on it. It's what I like to call the zone. Here we are, it's the big day, the day of the reveal. Ralph, it's why we do what we do.
Well, I do it for the money too.
Of course you do. There he is. All right, today's the day. We've gone through a lot of commotion outfitting your truck. Tell me what you're feeling, Jacob.
Well, I miss old Honk something fierce, but I'm excited to see what you guys have done.
All right, let's do it. Let's get to the reveal. Three, two, one.
Oh my stars! It's so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Here's what we did. We gave him bigger wheels and tires with the Fuel Rage wheels sporting some sleek red highlights and the Nitto Ridge Grappler all-terrain tires. The worn Ascent bullnose winch bumper powder coated with a gloss black and red highlights. We added a stout worn VR winch and we spiced it up with some arc LED fog lights. The chrome factory grille got a coat of black paint. Then we kept the look going with some vinyl wrap over the center of the hood and some Rough Country retract power running boards to make it easier to get in the truck after we added the 5-inch Rough Country lift kit. The inside got some rugged custom Tiger Tough seat covers to protect Jacob's seats when he's off-roading or hunting. To protect the bed, we gave it a spray-in liner from Armadillo Linings, but spiced it up with a two-tone red and black spray. We finished it off with some black door handle covers from Trim Illusion.
Excited so far?
It's amazing.
Got another surprise for you. We went to the top keychain artist in all of Central Texas and had this made for you.
It's my Honk. We love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Well, this is it, Jacob. What do you think?
It's perfect. I know Honk would have loved this so much. Thank you.
Another one in the books. This is what it's all about, Ralph. Outfitting trucks, ending truck nudity, and changing lives. Ralph, you're fired.